Cleaning brushes are an essential tool for any household or workplace that requires regular cleaning. There are many products available to choose cleaning brushes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cleaning brushes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. HOLUM 5-Pack Kitchen Cleaning Brush. The HOLUM 7-Pack Kitchen Cleaning Brush set includes 7 brushes for all-purpose use, such as dish cleaning brush, bendable kitchen brush, scouring pad brush, tile lines brush, and groove gap brush. The durable nylon bristles of the dish cleaning brush help scrub away dirt, while the built-in scraper removes baked-on spots. The bendable kitchen brush's design makes it easier to clean corners and curved surfaces, while the non-scratch scouring pad brush is friendly for surfaces. The tile lines brush helps clean corners of your home. Number 2. Set Sail Scrub Brush. Heavy-duty scrub brushes. The Set Sail Scrub Brush is a heavy-duty cleaning tool with stiff bristles that can effectively scrub tough stains in bathrooms, kitchens, tile walls, and showers. The bristles are made of firm polypropylene for durability, heat resistance, and sustained use. The brush handle is designed with an ergonomic TPR grip that is non-slip and comfortable to hold while applying scrubbing pressure. Additionally, the U-style handle design with a hole makes it easy to hang and store. Number 3. HOLUM Bottle Brush Tube Cleaning Set. The HOLUM 8-Pack Bottle Brush Cleaning Set includes 8 brushes of various sizes and shapes, suitable for cleaning different types of drinkware and kitchenware. The set features an extra long brush with wide bristles, perfect for cleaning long and narrow-necked bottles, as well as a sponge brush, and a sports water bottle brush with hard bristles for removing stubborn stains. The set. Number 4. Electric Spin Scrubber. Introducing the KEMI Spin Scrubber, the perfect cleaning tool for your bathroom floors and tiles. This 2023 upgraded electric spin scrubber features 3 adjustable speeds, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience. With a digital display screen and voice broadcast function, you can easily monitor the power level and working status of the scrubber. The KEMI Spin Scrubber comes with 8 replaceable brush heads, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. Its 2-in-1 design allows you to use it as a handheld or extendable scrubber, providing convenience and ease of use. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning methods and embrace the convenience of the KEMI Spin Scrubber. Number 5. Tren 3-Piece Scrub Brush Set. The scrub brush set includes 3 brushes for various cleaning jobs. The set is perfect for cleaning bathroom, shower, kitchen, sink, carpet, floors, and more. The ergonomic rubber handle and extra durable polymer fibers make cleaning easy and comfortable. The stiff and durable bristles can scrub away grime, soap scum, and other contamination without damaging the surfaces. The set is designed in the USA and manufactured to the highest quality.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.